In this video, we will construct a box plot in Excel, and then we're going to go ahead and answer some questions relating to that box plot. So can you download the question file? There it is, the question and start file. Okay, so here we go. I've got a sample of 20 salaries, and I've been asked to construct a box plot based on that data. So we're going to go and select your dataset values, insert, recommended, not there, all, and there's my box and whisker plot. There it is. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to change the format. Right. So here's my box plot, but I want to put in values. Right. By the way, that first line there is your first quartile. That middle line there is your median. And that third line there represents your third quartile. We can get more information from this if we change the layout. Right. And that one there's got the values, which is great because we can use this to answer other questions. So one more thing I'm going to do. I'm going to change this number and make it, let's make it currency. And let's change that to have 2 decimal places. So I'm going to ignore the instructions here. I'm going to use to nearest, I'm just going to say 2 decimals. Right, and I'm doing this because in case there are those of you out there and you need to answer questions to 2 decimals or 3 decimals, in this case 2 decimals because it's money. Right, so this is going to be more useful. Right, so here we go. So I've plotted my box plot. There it is. And now I'm going to answer these questions. Right, the first question is, let's make this a bit. All right. The first question is, where's the first quartile? Or what is the first quartile? Right, now my first quartile is given there. So that's the start value there, and there's the first quartile. 17. Make it currency. Looks a bit better. Okay, the median, the number in the middle, well, that's given by this middle line here. So first quartile, median there. So the median is double check it, 21, 21,610. Okay. The third quartile is this third line. First line, second line, third line. 50,750. Right, now the next question is they want to know the interquartile range. Okay, the interquartile range is the difference between the 2 quartiles. So the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. Right, interquartile range equals third quartile minus the first quartile. And there we have it. Now, over here they're asking, are there any values which are unusually small or large compared to the rest of the values in this data set, and Excel picks one out? It's the dot there. That dot value there, that's an outlier. It's a value which is either too big, or in this case, it's a value which is abnormally larger than other values. So 102,654. And there we have it. So I hope you found this useful and interesting, and I hope to see you in another video.